What we will do today is make our own NFT in Archway testnet. You could also see the guideline in this page, which you could get into the guides and NFT projects and creating an NFT project. I recommend you to look around official guideline because there are plenty of good education resources and examples like Figurant, Multisig, or CW20 tokens here. Step 1 is to build and optimize contracts. You should select a chain and project name here. In this video, I will make project name as basic NFT. Type the commands Archway, new, and your project name. Basic NFT2. In this lecture, you should select a chain. The chain should be Archway testnet. And also, you have to choose a name for your contract. I will use basic NFT2. And I will choose CW721 with on-chain metadata. So this CW721 is kind of like ERC721, which is with these following commands. You will easily make basic NFT projects with just one command line. Step 2 is designing tokens. The set metadata is a critical element for any NFT. It defines information like the name, image URL, and other properties that can be pulled by NFT marketplaces to show relevant information to the users. Information like rarity, custom trait, and etc. are all stored here. In this example, we will keep our metadata on-chain. In other words, the contract will store the metadata in its internal state. In the CW721 base code, NFT metadata is contained in the extension property of the token info struct. You could see there are owners, approvals, and token URI and extensions here. To use this extension property, here's how we define our metadata in the CW721 with on-chain metadata template we cloned into our projects. So this is metadata struct that we cloned in our Archway project. Our next step is to deploy the token contract. First, we will need to produce an optimized WASM build and upload it to the blockchain. Optimized builds are produced by executing the Archway contracts build commands like this. Archway contracts build. So if you complete this process, you might see schemas generated typings here. And also make sure you turn on the Docker before using this, because if you don't run Docker, you will encounter some errors here. To store the optimized build on Archway using the Archway CLI, you would use the following command: Archway contract store basic NFT2 here. So Archway 101 sign transactions here. And you could check basic NFT2 contract is unloaded in Archway. Now we are ready to instantiate the contract. The contract instantiation requires 3 parameters: name, which is the name of the collection, and symbol, which is a token symbol to represent the collection, and minter, which is the wallet address allowed to mint a new NFT using this contract. And puts arguments here. I will put name as all about Archway and symbol as AAA, the address of Archway 101. And also I have to type which account that I will use to make a transaction. So you can see that basic NFT2 is instantiated. So the next step is configuring the deployed contract. This will configure the smart contract to collect developed premiums, rewards, and can be used to enable gas rebates with a pooling account. After the rewards are calculated, they're stored as reward records. These records establish claims that contracts can convert into Arch tokens. To claim these rewards, a withdrawal operation must be executed. When a withdrawal is initiated, the tokens are transferred to the reward address designated by the contract's owner. So you should set reward address when you try to deploy contracts. So you should add owner address here first, and also rewards address here.